OpenAI Codex versus Claude Code 2025. Which AI coding tool is better? AI coding tools are changing the way developers work in 2025, but is OpenAI Codex or Claude Code the better choice? OpenAI Codex powers tools like GitHub Copilot, generating code from natural language prompts. Most people get this wrong. They assume it only works for simple scripts, but Codex can handle multiple programming languages, complex functions, and even code refactoring. You won't believe what happens next. It integrates directly into IDEs, helping developers write code faster, reduce bugs, and improve workflow efficiency. Claude Code, on the other hand, emphasizes explainable AI and safe coding practices. It's designed to produce reliable code snippets, documentation, and even suggestions for optimization. Unlike Codex, Claude Code focuses on reasoning, making it ideal for educational purposes or when correctness is critical. Pricing and integration differ. Codex is widely available through GitHub Copilot subscriptions, while Claude Code may be tied to specific platforms or enterprise solutions. So, which is better? For hands-on coding, rapid prototyping, and broad language support, OpenAI Codex leads. For learning, auditing code, or ensuring reliability, Claude Code is smarter. The surprising truth is that AI coding tools are not just assistants. They can actively enhance productivity, reduce errors, and even teach you better coding practices if used wisely.